Do you want to know how you can sign up for Sofi on your PC? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Sofi. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and open google.com. Now go to the Google search bar to search for Sofi Sign Up. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Sofi Online Savings. You can see Open Account on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click Open an Account. After you click on Open an Account, a login portal will open up where you must write down your first name, which is your legal name, your last name, and you must select your state. After you select your state, go ahead and write down your email address in this box. Then write down a password. Make sure that you write a secured password. After you write your password, go ahead and check it. Or else you can retype it again for extra security. You can see that this button is for password. So you can check your password and click this box over here. As you will agree the terms and privacy policy, go ahead and click next. In a while, you can create an account on Sofi. There you go. What you need to do is click on individual or joint account. If you have an individual account, just go ahead and click on individual account. What you need to do right now is write down your street address and then click on next. So you must write down a valid street address. So go ahead and write down a street address over here and click next. And then you can see that your account will be open. So guys, this is how you sign up for Sofi. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.